This is a Philips Hue Play HDMI sync box, and what I believe is a must-have if you have Philips Hue lights. It's got a sleek and slim design. Up front, it's got an IR receiver which can be used to sync it with buttons on your TV remote. Next to the IR receiver, there's a small LED light to indicate its status. I've got two magnet mounts super glued to the back because I've mounted this on the wall behind my TV. On the back, you'll find the HDMI inputs. There's 4 for the devices going into it and 1 HDMI out for the one that goes to the TV. You've also got the power adapter slot and a USB one for TVs that can connect via micro USB. What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Qasim. Before we begin, I just want to remind you there's timestamps down below, so make sure you check them out so you can skip to your specific part of the video. That's all. Let's get started and I hope you enjoy. Alright, so I've gone ahead and unpaired this from my app and lights so I can show you guys step by step how to go about the setup. First things first, you'll need the Hue Sync app. You can download this from the App Store for iPhone or the Google Play Store for Android devices. Next, let's get the box plugged into a power source. Next, connect all the HDMI inputs you want it to sync for. I just have my Fire TV, so I'm going to plug that into port 4. Next is the HDMI cable for your TV. This one needs to be plugged into the port labeled out/TV. Now that everything is connected, go ahead and power on your box and TV and open up the Hue Sync app on your device. Tap on Get Started. This will take you to the next screen where it asks if your bridge is set up. Mine is, and if yours is as well, then tap Yes. Next, it'll ask if our sync box is hooked up. Let's go ahead and tap Yes. On the next screen, it'll ask if the LED light on the box is blinking blue. Take a look at your box and make sure the light is blinking blue. If so, then tap Yes. On the next screen, tap Accept to accept the terms of service. On the next screen, it's going to search for the sync box. Make sure your phone is close to it and tap on search. You should get a Bluetooth pairing request. When you do, tap pair. Next, we need to connect the sync box to our Wi-Fi network. Go ahead and tap Setup Wi-Fi. Find your network in the list and enter your Wi-Fi password. Once connected, go ahead and tap Next. On the next screen, you'll need to press and hold the button on your box until the LED light on the front goes green. This will confirm the connection and the sync box will begin looking for software updates. If the box is up to date, you'll be taken to a success screen. Go ahead and tap Next. On the next screen, you will need to find your bridge on the network and connect it. Go ahead and tap Search for Hue Bridge. Once found, go to your bridge and press the button one time. This will connect the sync box to your bridge and we can go ahead and tap Next. Next, it will begin searching for entertainment areas so you can select your lights that you want to sync. I've already got one, but for the sake of this video, let's go ahead and tap Create Entertainment Area. Make sure you don't close out the Hue Sync app because once you're done creating an entertainment area, it'll bring you back to the Hue Sync app, and if closed, you'll have to repeat the setup process of the box again. Go ahead and tap Create Entertainment Area. This will open up the Philips Hue app. In the top left, you'll see Create Entertainment Area. Go ahead and tap that. This will bring up a list of all your Philips Hue lights. Select the ones you want to use for syncing. As you select the lights of your choice, you'll notice they begin to blink. This is a great feature so that you can know exactly which lights you're pairing up. Once you've selected the lights, go ahead and tap on Continue. On the next screen, the app will ask to make sure your lights are powered on. Make sure they are and then tap Lights are ready. Next, you'll be taken to a setup screen. This is where you arrange your lights in the app the same way they are arranged in your entertainment area. If you press and hold down to reposition on any of these, you'll notice the light blink. Also, if you tap once on any of the lights, you'll be able to change their height between ground, TV, and ceiling. This is so that the app knows exactly where your lights are, so that way it won't sync them in a way that's disturbing to you while you're enjoying your entertainment. Go ahead and do this now. Make sure to double check each light to verify they're all in the right positions. Once done, go ahead and tap Next. On the next screen, tap Test Area. You'll now be able to test out the lights and make sure everything is matching and in good sync. Then tap on All Good. Now you'll be taken back to the Hue Sync app. Go ahead and tap to select the entertainment area you just created. On the next screen, you'll be able to name your inputs. Go ahead and do that and then tap on next. That's all guys, you're all set up and ready to go. You can name your entertainment area as well. Just open up the Philips Hue app. At the bottom you'll see a settings tab. Go ahead and tap on that. At the bottom of the next screen you'll see entertainment areas. Tap on it. You'll see the entertainment area you just made. Tap on it, and at the top you can type the name you want and just tap save to name it. Now that we're all done, we are ready to enjoy our lights sync. Play anything you want on your TV. I'm going to play a demo I created just for this video. I really hope you enjoy it. Next, let's talk about setting up Google Assistant so you can control the sync box with just your voice. This is a new update to the box which was released in spring of 2020. First, go ahead and open up your Hue Sync app. From the bottom of the screen, tap the settings icon. At the bottom, you'll see Voice Assistant Beta. Go ahead and tap that. On the next screen, tap on Google Assistant. Next, it'll ask us to link our Hue account. Tap on Link Account to begin. On the next screen, select your country and tap Next. Here you'll need to log in with your Hue account. You should already have one, so go ahead and sign in. Once signed in, the app will ask you to grant permission to Philips Hue. Go ahead and tap yes. On the next screen, we will need to press and hold down the power button on our box for 3 seconds. Before doing this, press and hold the power button on the box for 10 seconds until the light is blinking blue. Then go ahead and follow the screen prompt. You will notice the light flash green and the app will notify you that the box is paired. I had to try multiple times before I got this to work. The only way it does is if you first press and hold the power button for 10 seconds to get the light on the box to blink blue. On the next screen, just tap done. Next, we are going to open the Google Home app. Tap on the plus icon in the top left. At the top, tap Setup Device. On the next screen, tap on Have Something Already Set Up, since we already have Philips Hue linked to our home. If you've also got it linked, you'll see Philips Hue is available. Go ahead and tap that. Then go ahead and tap Check for New Devices. This will look for and find the sync box. Go ahead and choose the box and tap Next. On the next screen, select your home and tap Next. Next, select a room for the box and tap Next. Now, if you scroll down to that room, you'll see the box. Go ahead and rename it because with the default name, I've noticed that Google Home has trouble recognizing the device. Go ahead and tap on the box. In the top right, you'll see a settings icon. Go ahead and tap that. On the next screen, tap where it says name and rename the box to your liking. Tap save when done, and now you're good to go. Now you can have Google Home turn the sync box on and off, switch inputs, and much more. Just say, set the sync box to Fire TV. Last but not least, I want to show you all how to pair a remote to control your sync box. This is also a new feature that was added in spring of 2020. Go ahead and open the Hue Sync app. Tap on the settings icon down below. Next, tap on TV remote control. Grab your remote so we can get it synced. Get close to your sync box for the initial setup because otherwise it has trouble working. Go ahead and tap next. On the next screen, you'll see you have many options to choose from. I'm going to select the option to sync on and off and program it. On the next screen, press and hold down the button on your remote that you'd like to program. I'm going to select 7. When you do, the app will recognize it and take you to the next screen where it'll say code learned. Go ahead and tap next. On the next screen, we will be able to name the shortcut. Go ahead and pick a name you like and tap done. Now you'll be able to press that button on your remote to control your specific function. You can simply go ahead and repeat this process for as many functions as you like. This is a great new feature because it lets you use your TV remote to control your box as well. This way, you don't always have to rely on the Hue Sync app or voice controls. All in all, I'm really pleased with the Hue Play HDMI sync box. If you've got the lights, then you definitely need this. It really helps in taking your entertainment to the next level by fully immersing you into the experience. I've had it for a year now, And with the recent additions of voice control and having the ability to pair it with your remote control, it's really hard to dislike anything about the Philips Hue Play HDMI sync box. Alright guys, that does it for me today. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Comment down below if you have any questions for me, and make sure you subscribe to the channel for more. Take care of yourselves, and I'll see you in the next one.